Take a ride in the 2016 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.